Happy fall, everyone. My name is Willa Ball, principal broker owner of Pedigree Real Estate, and I'm here today hosting an open house at East Pleasant. This address is 2600 East Pleasant, Rogers. I'm here from 12 to 2 today, so please feel free to stop by and say hello and see this beautiful property. A little bit about this home. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bath. 2 of those bedrooms are ensuite bathroom bedrooms. So you have 2 options for primary suites in this home. You have 2 flex spaces in the home as well. And it's, as you can see behind me, beautiful remodeled kitchen. It's seen a lot of upgrades over the last several months. In addition to that, the proximity here, you just can't beat it. This sits on almost an acre on the end of a cul-de-sac in a very seasoned, quiet neighborhood in Rogers. But you get all that privacy, but you're only 5 miles from Uptown Rogers, which is where you'll find Topgolf, Walmart Amp, the mall, and several entertainment options. In addition, you're only 8 minutes to Beaver Lake from this location and very close to downtown Rogers and everything that has to offer. So again, I'm here today, 12 to 2, 2600 East Pleasant. This home is offered at $393. So please stop by and see me today. Have a great day.